Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start? Install and sign in, then open the app and go straight to creating an event. First, choose the calendar you want to use so events save where you expect them. Next, add a clear title, set date and time, and optionally add a location or conferencing link. Tap notifications and choose 15 minutes or custom alerts. This prevents missed meetings. Once done, check calendar, visibility, and sync settings so events appear across devices immediately and reliably. Now organize your life with layers and rules. Create separate calendars and assign colors so you scan availability quickly. When adding events, set recurrence for repeating commitments, daily, weekly, or custom intervals to save time. Add guests and grant editing or viewing rights and attach files or drive links for easy access. Make use of location and conferencing fields so map and video links populate automatically. Also use custom notifications for critical events to ensure you get timely reminders tailored to each event. Finish by building a quick daily routine. Open the app each morning, review your agenda, and drag events to reorder priorities. Use snooze or reschedule when things shift, and rely on built-in conflict indicators to decide which event to move. If guests can't see updates, make sure you edited the correct calendar and that guests accepted invites. Troubleshooting. If events don't sync, force a sync, confirm account permissions and network access, and update the app. Most issues clear with those steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.